Since the birth of Apparition in 2021 on the first short film documentary, we've managed to break expectations and improve upon film qualities. And we're not just talking about the editing or the framing. No. It's much more than that. We are talking about direction, pacing, blocking, all the little details. The Apparition has strived to achieve perfection in these cinematic qualities. Today, we will list one of the best scenes, the top scenes in the film sequences of Apparition. Doesn't mean that the film was made earlier, is that the quality won't stand tall. So we start in top 10.
Here we have a simple scene. No film score, just great direction and great delivery from the actors that created a cathartic scene.
Pasensya na po, Nay. Patawad po, Nay. Nay, alam mo ba kung anong araw ngayon? Kaarawan mo, Nay. Gusto mo ba maghanda tayo? Kahit ngayon lang. Okay ba?
Sige anak, papahinga lang si nanay ha. Mahal naman kita anak, tandaan mo yan.
Mahal din kita, Nay.
At number 9, we have one of the very earliest written scene of Apparition. It is a dark representation of poverty and it is a good context.
Uto!
One of the exciting scenes of Live on Heavily at number 8, the murder scene sequence. It was one of the most exciting and the best edited sequence. At number 7, we have the before the murder scene. This is the diagnosis scene. It is executed properly, well directed. That's why it's here in the top and the best scenes.
Ini ba inisas no? May tapag hugtusin buhok yung anak ko. May ta siya maglaslas. Ini ba?
Somehow, yes. May self-harming behavior sila na in their eyes is just impulsivity. You have to watch your daughter all the time.
Most of the time, shield siya. Sabang pag-asulan ka ako, pagkalupahan niya ako, magkalawa siya, magkalawain atay niya, Dok.
Your relationship with her will define her relationship with others. Lang niya tayo kundain maintenance kaya usap ko kanya, it will lessen the impulsivity.
Hindi siya mag-open up ka ko. Hindi siya magpamaytaon ko. Sabang pag-asuhon ko siya, okay lang yung answer ka ko. Sa every night, pagkakitaan ko siya, pagtangis, magsilawak, as if on dira niya nagkaro. Mismo in relationship niya ka ko, Dok. without siya. Andito. Tawagin na lang po. Tulong na ka.
At number 6, we have the climax of Manimdim, a one-shot film and very well directed and executed by the actors. It was a one take, hence it deserves its spot.
Nay, ito na po yung ice cream mo, Nay. Strawberry yan, Nay. Yung paborito mo, Nay. Tandaan ko pa, Nay. Nay, dito na po yung andan niyo, Nay. 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 Gising ka, Nay. Gregor! Punta ka nga dito. Nay, gumising ka, Nay. 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 Huwag mo kami ngayon. Nay. Nay, gising ka, Nay. Nay. Carlo? Okay ka lang?
Kilenyo, kayo napapunta dito.
Ang totoo nun, ikaw pinunta ko dito.
Anong magagawa?
Yun nga, patungkol to sa'yo. Kailangan namin dalhin ka.
Uy, ba't may kasama kang police, uncle? Ba't kayo nandito? Naku, ayokong sumama sa inyo. Wala akong ginawang masama. Huwag niyo ko'y gulong. Huwag.
Deliver ka naman ka. Lagay mo na sa mga station.
Akong ginawang masama eh. Wala. Nay!
Hindi nga ka.
Hindi na layuan niyo ako. Layuan niyo ako. Wala akong ginawang masama. Huwag niyo ko'y gulong. Ayoko makulong.
Alam mo ka, boy. Sumama ka sa amin.
Nay! Nay! Layuan niyo ako. Layuan niyo ako. Wala akong ginawa. Nay! 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 Layuan niyo ako. Layuan niyo ako, Nay. At number 5 would be the nostalgic ending of Bungasing Kahapon. It was a roller coaster ride in that film, and it ended very good with the bookend sequence. At number 4 would be the latest entry of the Apparition Films, the Tina Tangi music video short film. It was very well directed in the scene. And next, we would have the top 3. It will speak for itself, no commentary needed, and let us enjoy
Patamis.
the beautiful scenery and the very well directed scenes.
Teka, master. Paano yun?
Hindi, ganito lang. Hit-hitin mo lang. Sige, hit-hitin mo.
Cardo, ano yan? Ano nangyari?
May tao sa labas. May tao sa labas.
Sino? Sino ba yan sila?
Kukunin nila ako na ipapatayin nila ako.
Cardo, wala namang tao dito. Anong pinagsasabi mo?
Kukunin nila ako na Magtago ka na. Bilisan mo na.
Cardo, ibaba mo yan. Ibigay mo sa akin dahan-dahan.
May tao sa labas. Kukunin nila ako na
Wala anak, walang tao sa labas.
Pero naririnig ko yung yapak nila.
Cardo, makinig ka sa akin. Ikalma mo ang sarili mo.
May tao sa labas. Kukunin nila ako
Wala anak, wala. Walang tao sa labas. Tayo lang nandito. Walang tao sa labas.
Walang tao?
Wala anak.
Walang tao?
Wala.